Hi guys! Welcome na naman sa bagong video natin. Alright, I am Coach RJ and welcome to RJ's Math and Science Workshop where we learn as one and we learn with fun. Alright, so kamusta kayo? So sana okay kayo, sana kasama yung family nyo, and hopefully safe kayo as the whole world, as the whole country is fighting for a pandemic. Okay, so pray lang po tayo. Tsaka ang topic naman natin ngayong araw is still continuation of solving quadratic equations, but this time ito na yung pinaka-rescue ninyo na method. Means, example, mahirapan kayo mag-square root, mahirap mag-extract ng square, mahirap pag-factoring, mahirap pag-completing the square. Ito na po yung saklolo ninyo, ang quadratic formula. Okay, so stay tuned and have a great day. So guys, bago tayo mag-start, shout out muna tayo dyan. Shout out na kay Alfred Joey C and Dana J. Da Bonita. This, sila mga colleagues ko yan sila. At the same time, mga students ko din sila when they are reviewing their math quiz B. Okay? So, Joey and Dana, have a great day, ha? Okay? So, let's start the discussion. Sa quadratic formula, recall ninyo na completing the square tayo. Yung completing the square po na ginamit natin is, let's say, gagamitin natin siya sa standard form ng ating quadratic equation. So, ang standard form, di ba ito? ax squared plus bx plus c. Hindi ko na po siya i-derive kasi sobrang taas po. Hindi naman siya totally mataas, pero mas mabuti na po kayo na lang po mag-derive. Pero, gamitin nyo po yung completing the square para makuha tong formula na to. Okay? So, in short, we used completing the square in a standard form of quadratic equation to derive the quadratic formula. Okay? So, ang quadratic formula, kung nag-derive tayo, gamit tayo na completing the square sa standard form, makukuha natin at the end is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, itong b squared minus 4ac, ang tinatawag namin dyan is the discriminant. I-discuss natin itong discriminant sa next videos. Okay? Kasi part yan siya ng pag-study natin sa quadratic equation. Okay? So, ito na. Gagamitin natin itong quadratic formula. And take note, pag magamit kayo ng quadratic formula, hindi lang parati x, depende din sa variable na gagamitin. Kung n yan. Hindi pwede yan, hindi tayo consistent sa variable. Kasi makakonfuse si teacher, baka malian pa yung ating solution. Okay? So, dapat x. Or, kung x ang gamit sa equation, x din ang pangsagot natin. Okay? Kuha nyo dapat yan. So, I have 5 examples. Very easy lang. Ang ating ang ating gagamitin ito is operations lang. So, sisiw lang to sa inyo. Okay? So, first example, we have x squared minus 3x minus 40 is equal to 0. So, first thing that you will do is you identify A, B, and C. So, madali lang. A is 1, B is negative 3, C is negative 40. So, we can use x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We substitute na. So, it will become negative 3. So, negative 3 plus minus square root of negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 40 all over 2 times 1. So, 2 times 1. Sige. So, ngayon, it will become Dapat pag ganun yung ano ninyo ha, yung solution ninyo, ano na siya, na-diagonal na lang siya. So, it will become positive 3 plus minus 9. Since this is negative, then 4 times 40, this will become 169 all over 2. So, what is the square root of 169? 13. Tama ka dyan, Lodi. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito. X is equal to 3 plus minus 13 over 2. So, ngayon, 3 plus minus 13. So, we can have 3 plus 13. We have 16 over 2 is 8. So, first root is 8. So, second root is 3 minus 13 is negative 10 divided by 2, negative 5. So, these are the roots. Kung tama yan, check nyo. Okay? Sige, erase ko na. Alam na natin ang formula. So, we have number 2. Our number 2, dali lang ito. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So, identify lang. A is 2, B is negative 3, C is 2, negative 2. So, you just substitute it to the quadratic formula. So, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Actually, yung negative, pwede dito. Pwede rin dyan. Yun pa rin eh. Nag-distribute. So, x is negative 3. So, positive 3 na yan. Plus minus negative 3 squared times 4 times 2 times negative 2. Okay? All over 2 times 2, so 4. X is equal to 3 plus minus. So, this is 9 plus 8. Hindi pa 8 pa yan. So, 16. Sorry. Plus 16, so 25. Square root of 25 over 4. So, now, the final answer will be 3 plus minus 5 over 4. So, x is 3 plus 5. 8 over 4 is 2. Ang isa is 3 minus 5, negative 1. Negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. Okay? So, questions? Kung may questions kayo, just chat or comment there in the comment section. Then, ano tayo? Sasagot natin yan. And if you have recommendations, pero kayo marirecommend sa akin kung ano bang kailangan baguhin, ano ba kailangan i-enhance, kailangan i-develop, freely to comment lang po kayo, okay? So guys, ano tayo? Number 3 tayo, okay? Number 3. So number 3 will be 5x squared minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we identify A as 5, B as 9, negative 9, and C as 4. So we just use the quadratic formula. So negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x is equal to, so negative 9, so positive 9 na lang natin to guys. So plus minus the square root of 9 squared is 81. Minus 4 times 5 times 4 is 80 over 2 times 5, 10. So, ngayon, x is equal to 9 plus minus 81 minus 80 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1 over 10. Therefore, x is equal to 9 plus 1 over 10. So, 1. Ang isa is x is equal to 9 minus 1 over 10, which is 4 over 5. Okay? So, these are your answers. Again, so do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my video, ha? And hit the bell button for notifications. And you can also request kung anong topic na susunod natin, since after this one, we will have new topics, either math or science, para makahelp tayo, okay? Then, number 4, we have, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, v squared minus 9v minus 11 is equal to 0. So, we have A is 1, B is negative 9, C is negative 11. So, ang gagamitin natin is b, hindi x. Okay? So, negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, v is equal to negative 9. So, positive 9 lang natin. Plus minus square root of 9 squared is 81. Minus 4 times 1. 4 times negative 11. We have negative 44. So, positive 44 na siya. Over 2 times 1 is 2. So, 2 tayo sa baba. V is equal to, so 9 plus minus. Mapansin ninyo, if we add this one, lalabas is 125. Pero 125, meron lang siyang factors na ang kanyang square, isang factor niya is square root. Pero yung isa hindi. So, hindi siya totally perfect square. So, we need to apply pa laws of radicals. Yung laws of radicals, alam nyo na yan. Okay? So, laws of radicals, so 125. So, if-factor out natin, so magiging siyang 25 times 5 over 2. So, V is equal to 9 plus minus 5, the square root of 5 over 2. So, yan yung final answer po. Okay? So, questions lang po. Questions lang. Okay? So, for the last one, ayusin ko lang pong po. So, for the last one, we have 3n squared minus 6n minus 10 is equal to 0. Again, identify lang po. A is 3, B is negative 6, and C is negative 10. So, n is equal to, sige, diretso na tayo sa ating solving. So, positive 3. Positive 6 na lang. Plus minus square root of 6 squared is 36. So, minus 4 times 3 is 12. Times negative 10 is 120. So, add. Over 2 times 3, we have 6. So, n is equal to 6 plus minus, we have 156, okay? 156. Tama ba? Okay, 156. Over 6. So, wala mang square root ang 156. So, we will look for a factor. Isang factor ng 156 is square root. So, I decided to put, siguro, ano kaya? 4. Sige, 4. 11. Wait lang. 4. Divide natin siya ng 4. So, 3. 12. 39. So, tama, 4. So, kung isa-square root natin ng 4, magiging 2. So, this will become 6 plus minus 2, the square root of 39 over 6. Okay? Or, is this final answer? Hindi, kasi puro, very good, puro siya even. So, we need to simplify. So, n is equal to, so we divide all by 2, magiging 3 plus minus the square root of 39 over 3. Okay guys, so if you have questions, you just chat, you just comment, okay, in the comment section. If you have recommendations, again, comment lang po. And feel free to express your feelings, okay? So, have a great day. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So, hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na to. And thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe na po. Tsaka, sa mga nag-like ng videos. So, very well appreciated po. Thank you so much for the support. And ito po, sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, you can follow me on Twitter, Engineer Rev Jericho. Again, hindi pa po ko engineer, papel lang po yan. So, like and subscribe and share my videos. RJ's Math and Science Workshop. So, sooner, ipag-pray natin, by God's grace, meron tayong FB page where I can give worksheets or any samples that you need in your classes, okay? So, this will be a help for virtual learners and para sa lahat na nangangailangan. So, thank you so much. Have a great day.